Today I'll show you a quick and dirty secret to clean your backgrounds in Photoshop. This would take a lot of time using the Band-Aid or any other retouching tool. So here in Photoshop, let's first duplicate our background layer, Command J, and let's go to the Filter, Noise, Medium tool. So let's see here with a radius of 5, I get a pretty decent cleanup on my background. So let's apply the filter. And of course, we don't want to soften the skin of our subject. So we just add a mask. Let's invert the mask with Command I, and with the brush tool, we can simply paint wherever we want to clean the background. Well, hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.